Hot take, NSFW art is okay. But before you attack, children shouldn't be exposed to NSFW, and people shouldn't draw children in NSFW art. And NSFW art is clearly meant for a certain audience. And if you're uncomfortable with INSOF, that's completely fine. And I'm not saying that you have to like NSFW art. What I'm trying to say is NSFW art is meant for a certain audience. And children watching this, please do not look up what NSFW is. And there shouldn't be SA in NSFW art. Anyway, Ray out.